That goes straight to the Facebook. I'm gonna run this truck off in the ditch, man. Stop being a turd. Shell-tune, turd-tune. Do a documentary. How in the hell we do what we do about it? Let's do a documentary on lot lizards.
Still on the phone with her?
No.
Oh.
Is it still in?
Yeah. Not going to Facebook.
Huh? It's not?
Going to my phone.
Huh?
Going to my phone.
Oh, okay. Yeah, when I look on Facebook, it's going to be on there later on. They're talking about lot lizards. There's this lizard. We tried to run her over back yonder.
I'm talking about that redhead one back there. Yeah.
Thinking.
Which one was it?
One behind the first counter or the second counter? I went a lot. So far. She was in the sales.
What's she selling?
Doesn't find out. I bought some. You jump, green jump. Alien pig cleans everything. Worse than urine. I have a feeling that's going to Facebook, ain't it? I'm going to kick you out the door. You get up there beside this truck, and I'll kick you out the door.